Guys, say something about this headband. Comment below. Say something. So beautiful.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
This is the other one. These are the things needed for this headband. Foam. This foam is high 1 inch. Fabric, cutter, ribbon, scissors, needle and thread, pin. You need hot gum and our plates. So what I will do first, I will remove this fabric from the way. The diameters of this plate is 9 inches. From here to here is 9 inches. Now put it on top like so. Press it. Then I will put this plate on top like this. This upper side should be 2.5 inches. This place and this place should be equal. 1.5 inch, 1.5 inches. Then I'll cut again. This fabric is wide 14 inches by 12 inches. I'll put my foam on top of the fabric, then I'll mark it. And I'll mark it like this, then cut it. You see the chalk line? The space I leave is more than 1 inch. This headband is long here, 24 inches. So I cut this my strip 26 inches, and this place is wide 1 inch. I cut my fabric 1.5 inch. I'll start to pin it. Then I'll just pin it. I'll just pin this fabric around it like this. Then I will do the same to this one. I've sewed this side. Then I will sew this side. This is how to make this beautiful headband, guys. I hope this video helped you to make something beautiful for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel on the notification bell to see my new updates, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.